In this video tutorial, we're going to look at different ways to enter and edit data in an Excel spreadsheet. To enter data into a cell, simply click where you want to enter the data and begin typing. To complete the entry, you can either press Enter to move to the cell below. You can use the Tab key to move to the next cell on the right. You can use a directional arrow to move up, down, left, or right. And you can also click directly into another cell. This time, to complete the entry, I'm going to click on the tick next to the formula bar under the ribbon. Underneath water, I'd like to write petrol. Excel will offer phone from the list above. I'll just ignore it and continue with my text. This is very helpful if you need to repeat the same text further down the list. To make an amendment to data you've already entered, you can double-click directly into the cell you would like to amend, or use F2 on your keyboard. Make your amendment and complete the cell however you wish. You can also click into the cell you wish to amend and edit the data directly in the formula bar. This time I'm going to use the little tick, and hopefully you will notice I'll remain in the same cell that I was amending. Of course, you can always just start typing on top of a cell to amend it if you prefer. To delete the contents of a cell, click into the cell and press Delete on your keyboard. You can also right-click on top of the cell and choose Clear Contents. Or if you want to delete something within a cell, you can use the backspace key to delete backwards character by character, or you can use the delete key to delete forwards. At any time, before you complete any action within a cell, you can press the Escape key to jump back a step. This is a great feature to know about and can get you out of all sorts of trouble. And if it all goes pear-shaped, you can always use the Undo feature, which will be covered in another video. In this video, you've seen different ways to enter and edit data in Excel.